Tiny toes on the mat. Big deep breath like that. Hands on heart. Feel the calm start. Reach up high. Touch the sky. Wiggle your fingers. Say hi. Bend to your knees. Float like the breeze. Woo! Stretch like sunshine. Glow, glow, glow. Breathe in slowly. Let it flow. Strong and peaceful. Nice and slow. Yoga kids, let's go, go, go. Stretch like sunshine. Glow, glow, glow. Big brave hearts, we gently grow. Smile and balance, feel it show. Yoga kids, let's go, go, go. One foot down, other foot too. Mountain tall, just like you. Arms out wide, clouds inside glide. Sit like a frog, jump and freeze. Roar like a lion, then ease. Soft as a cat, curl on the mat. Meow! Inhale star, exhale moon. Quiet body moving soon. Hand in hand, side by side. Peace inside gets big and wide. Stretch like sunshine, glow, glow, glow. Breathe in slowly, let it flow. Strong and peaceful, nice and slow. Yoga kids, let's go, go, go. Stretch like sunshine, glow, glow, glow. Big brave hearts, we gently grow. Smile and balance, feel it show. Yoga kids, let's go, go, go. Hello, little friends, now time to move and play. Roll your shoulders gently, start a happy day. Reach your hands up slowly, touch the morning light. Feel your body waking, everything feels right. Take a breath in deep, let it softly go. Move your feet so lightly, nice and calm and slow. Stretch and smile, stretch and smile. Let's do yoga for a while. Bend and reach up to the sky. Wave your hands and say hi, hi. Stretch and smile, feel so free. body, laugh and play. Happy yoga every day. Stretch and smile, shining bright. Morning, afternoon, or night. Healthy, joyful, full of cheer. Yoga fun is always here. Wake your body gently now. Every breath will show you how. Feel your fingers, feel your toes. Little energy that flows. Lift your arms up to the sky. Watch your dreams